Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up booking on Wix. First, navigate to your Wix dashboard and add the Wix Bookings app from the App Market. This essential step integrates the booking functionality directly into your website. Next, you will choose the types of services you plan to offer, whether they are one-on-one appointments, group classes, or workshops. Finally, connect your preferred payment methods to ensure you can securely accept online payments from your clients. Now let's define your services. For each offering, create a new service entry, clearly specifying its duration, like 60 minutes, and the corresponding price. Enhance each service with detailed descriptions and high-quality images to attract potential clients. This helps them understand exactly what you offer. You can also assign specific staff members to each service, ensuring their availability aligns with the booking schedule. This step is crucial for organizing your offerings effectively. Effective staff and calendar management are key. Begin by setting up detailed profiles for each staff member, outlining their specific working hours and assigned roles. To avoid double bookings, sync your Wix booking calendar with any external calendars you use, like Google Calendar. This ensures real-time availability updates. Additionally, customize your booking policies, including cancellation windows, perhaps 24 hours, and automated client reminders, which significantly reduce no-shows. Finally, let's customize and go live. Design your booking page to perfectly match your brand's aesthetic, ensuring a consistent and professional look. Implement automated email and SMS reminders for clients, perhaps sending one reminder 24 hours before their appointment to minimize missed bookings. Once everything is set up and reviewed, publish your Wix site. Your booking services will then be fully available to customers, ready to accept appointments and grow your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.